Want to turn your extra cash into a money-making machine this 2025? Don't just let your savings sit there. It's time to make your money work for you by investing in the stock market. Yo, what's up? It's JM Ang. I'm excited to share with you exactly how you can start investing in the stock market this year. Whether you're a beginner, an employee, a savvy business owner, or just looking up to level up your investments, trust me, it's easier than you think, especially for us Filipinos. I'll show you how. First things first, bakit ba dapat ka mag-invest sa stock market? Well, investing in stocks is one of the best ways to grow your wealth over time. Unlike savings accounts, stocks have the potential to give you higher returns in the long run, especially if you're looking for financial freedom or your retirement plan. Isipin nyo na lang, you can get an opportunity to be co-owners of multi-million and multi-billion earning companies with just a fraction of the capital of setting up your own business. Yes, di ka pa siguro magiging decision maker sa company na to, but you can get the chance to get a share from its earnings through dividends or share from its growth through capital appreciation. Pwede na, di ba? Plus, the Philippine stock market is actually growing, and in 2024, it offers great opportunities for beginners. Before I start, I want to distinguish first the perspective I'm going to come from in this video by differentiating what a trader and an investor is. Traders are those that buy and sell stocks to make a profit at a shorter amount of time. They immediately cut losses whenever the trade doesn't go their way. Parang pag nagtitinda lang sa palengke. Pag season, mataas ang kita. Pag hindi masyadong season, hindi rin malaki yung kitaan. Or pag pa-closing na at nagbabalik na lang sila ng puhunan or konting lugi para may pangtindi na lang sila the next day. Gets ba? Ganun ang trader. While investors naman are simpler, mas structured lang yung ginagawa nila, hindi kailangan masyado ng emotion. They buy because they studied and believe that the company will grow in the long term or medium term. Di natitinag if bumababa man yung value ng stock. Bibili lang ulit para dumami lalo ang hawak. Tapos masaya kapag nag-earn na siya ng dividends at tumataas na ang value ng stock na napili nila. Essentially, in this video, we'll be wearing the investor hat. If mas prefer mo maging trader, it's alright. Kanya-kanyang trip lang yan at preference. So tara, G na tayo. Okay, let's start with the basics. When you invest in stocks, you're buying a small part of a company. You become a shareholder, which means you get a portion of the company's profits through dividends. And if the stock prices go up, you can also earn by selling your shares at a higher price. Common na maririnig mo ay buy low, sell high. There are two main types of stocks to consider. Blue chip stocks. These are established, financially stable companies tulad ng mga SM, Ayala, Jollibee, San Miguel. High dividend yield stocks. These are stocks that give you a bigger portion of the company's profit through regular dividends. Perfect if you're looking for passive income. Meron pa actually two more like REITs and basura stocks pero hindi ko na siya i-discuss in this video. Now, before we invest, research is key. Ulitin ko, research is key. And one of the best tools you can use for this is actually pesobility.com. Another is you can use the PSE Edge website kasi po nandun naman na lahat ng information of these companies. You can also use Bloomberg and other different websites that actually give you information about different stocks in the Philippines. Pero balikan natin yung pesobility.com. This website helps you find high dividend yielding stocks, blue chip stocks, and more. Meron pa silang yung sort feature para alam mo kung ano yung gusto mong fokusan na information. So let's check out how it works. So once you're on the site, head to the dividends tab to check the latest high dividend stocks. So you can see ano ba dyan yung may higher dividend rates. You'll see key informations like the dividend yield, profit earnings per share, PE ratio, and market capital.
To access yung stocks portion, dito sa upper right, just go to list of all stocks. And pagpunta niyo po dyan, i-close niyo lang syempre yung mga ads. So pagpunta niyo po dyan, you can actually filter out kung ano dyan yung mga dividends. So in this case, na-mention ko, cash dividends gusto nating basis. And so close na tayo ng ads. Nakikita mo kagad, filter niya from highest to lowest or lowest to highest. So if you go down sa mga top dividend stocks, nandyan po ang SEC, MY, GMA7, City and Land Developers, DMCI, and LTG Group. Yan ang mga na-mention ko. Consistent dyan, balikan mo lang yung mga opportunities dito. Just click for it. Let's say si GMA7. You can see when they actually declare dividends. So 2023, nag-declare na siya 1 peso, 1.1 peso. So 2022, 1.45. So pagka pinuntahan nyo pa yung other tools like yung PSE Edge, mas makikita pa yung other years nagkaroon siya ng dividend declaration. Okay?
This data will help you decide which stocks are worth your investment. This actually goes to show na may mga numbers na kailangan ka maintindihan so you know if these companies are doing well financially. You'll also need to consider yung kanilang mga standing as to yung financial statements nila at saka yung mga news in relation to their businesses so that you know if their business is going to do well in the long run. You can just check the news tab or yung mga business pages ng mga different news channels. Marami po sila mabibigay na information for that one. Okay, next step. Na-research mo na. How do we actually buy stocks? For Filipinos, one of the easiest platforms to use is Call Financial. I've been using this for the past 14 years na po and I really like their platform. It's filled with a lot of market research, a lot of ways to simplify how you're going to invest. You can do trading here, but it's not actually where traders trade, but you can actually do that. In terms of investments, madali lang siya i-monitor para ka lang nagtitingin ng iyong social media page. Marami pang other stockbrokers na nandyan from BPI Trade, First Metrosec, V-Trade, Timson Securities, at marami pang iba. But in this video, pag-usapan natin ng Call Financial. They've actually been around for a very long time. Di ko nga actually alam, no, when I was growing up, friends ko pala yung mga owners. And they're actually trusted in the industry for a long time. Now, plus, it's perfect for beginners. First, you'll need to open an account on Call Financial. Punta ka lang sa kanilang website. Meron po dong open an account or create an account. You can sign up online by submitting your documents such as your valid ID, proof of billing, and once your account is verified, you can actually start adding funds. Meron naman sa information, you can do it through online banking, and you can actually start buying your stocks kapag pumasok na siya sa iyong account. Now, how do you choose between blue chip stocks and high dividend stocks? Well, it actually depends on your own goal. So, hindi ko siya papapilitin na ito po bibilin nyo. But you actually need to align with what you want to happen with your own investment portfolio. If you're looking for long-term growth and stability, blue chip stocks like SM, Ayala, Jollibee are your best bets. They're less risky, have a history of steady growth, no? But at the end of the day, it's your choice kasi hindi po ganun kalaki sila mag-share ng kanilang income. But if you want passive income, yung may regular na bumabalik ng funds, then high dividend yielding stocks are the way to go. Pwede rin classification yung mga real estate investment trusts. But in this scenario, share ko muna yung mga companies that are specifically high dividends. Companies like PLDT and Globe often pay out generous dividends, pero isa sa mga favorites ko dyan are SEC or Semirara, DMCI, and yung mga LTG Group at saka GMA7. Balikan nyo lang ulit si pesobility.com, makikita nyo po dun yung kanilang history of declaring dividends. Pili na lang kayo. It's all in your own research. Once you've made your investments, don't just leave them. Yung hayaan mo na lang. Pwede naman, pero sayang. It's important to monitor your stocks regularly. Pesobility.com can help you with this by providing updated charts and insights on stock prices and dividends. I personally use mga Investograms para makita ko po yung mga certain insights din ng ibang mga traders and investors, and makikita ko rin yung market movements to create my own analysis. If you also want yung mga technical analysis, comment down below para gawa na rin ako ng video for that one. On the hindsight, balik muna tayo dito. Of course, you can also check your stock brokers kasi usually they give you reports and analysis on what's happening in the market and the different companies that you're monitoring. Just remember, the stock market is very volatile. Sometimes goes up, sometimes goes down, and depende po yan sa different factors. Economically, at geographically. The stock market is relatively slower here in the Philippines, but in different countries, mas mabilis pa po yung movement, mas delikado pa po siya. So at the end of the day, be ready to adjust your strategy based on the market trends that you're seeing. Before I wrap up this video, don't panic if the stock market dips. That's completely normal. Ika nga ni Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors of all time, be fearful when others are being greedy, and be greedy when others are being fearful. If you believe in the companies you're invested in, hold on to your stocks and even consider buying more when prices are low. In the long run, patience pays off. So that's how you can start investing in the stocks this 2024 using tools like pesobility.com, Investograms for research, and Call Financial for purchasing your stocks makes it easier than ever. Investing in stocks is a long-term game, but the rewards are worth it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what stocks you're interested in. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to help.